All right, so hello, people, hello, students. Here's the tutorial for the MLA format. Okay, basically, MLA style is the most commonly used to cite sources within the language arts, cultural studies, and other humanities disciplines, just like as literature. Okay, such as literature. Here you have there's a link here that you can copy and paste, and this is going to lead you to this here, and it's the Purdue University. So you have MLA style, you have MLA overview and workshop, MLA formatting and the style guide. And if you scroll here on the left side, if you click on MLA formatting and style, you have quotings, footnote, page, books, periodical, how to quote, how to cite also. So you have different information here that can be used. So the link is here on the first slide. Basically, here we're just going to, in 103 for this semester, we're just going to focus on few elements that I want you to pay attention to. So the title of a source, if it's a book, okay, in Brave New World. So if you're using a computer, it has to be italicized, and each letter is capitalized, except, for example, if you have an article such as there or something like this, okay? But capital letter, capital letter, capital letter, capital letter. If it's an article in a magazine, then the name of the magazine, let's say, for example, it's Times Magazine, then it's going to be italicized. If it's an article within a magazine, then you put quotation marks, the most important man on earth. But again, here, capital letter, capital letter, capital letter, capital letter, capital letter, okay? What else? If it's a web page, then the title of the web page, not the title of the web page, but what the web page is about, the attention economy, again, italicized and capital letters. Now, if you quote, there are two types of quoting here. There is, first of all, quoting must be identical to the original. It must match the source document word for word, and it must be attributed to the original author or source. So this is one of the issues that some of you struggled in the written production number one. For example, here there are two types of quotations, short and long. Here we're going to use short quotations, so less than 4 typed lines, okay? And keep in mind this, the purpose of a quote is to illuminate the meaning, to support what you're saying, and to provide direct information. So if your quote doesn't, if your quote's purpose isn't one of the 3 things over there, then you shouldn't be quoting, okay? So when you quote from, example, a novel, or in Brave New World in this case, let's say you say blah, 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 based on the state's motto, quotation mark, community, identity, stability. This is how you have to write following the MLA structure. Huxley, page 1. Okay, that's the structure that you have to follow. Okay. Now, if you mention the name of the author just before, so just like what Huxley suggests at the beginning of the novel through the state's motto, community, identity, stability, since you've mentioned the name here, you don't need to put the name over there, but you have to give me the page number. The name of the author is mentioned before, so you don't need to put it here at the end. Okay? Same thing if it's an article. According to some, dreams express profound aspect of personality. So this is from Smith, page 155. Okay? Now, if you name the author before, according to Smith's study, dreams may express profound aspects of personality. Because you have named the person here, okay, you don't need to put it there. You don't need to include it there. I'm going to delete this, right? And then if it's a website, okay, it's the same thing. As suggested in the attention economy, the economy of attention, not information, is the natural economy of cyberspace. Shoulder, so you write the name of the author here, of the person, not the author, but the person who's doing the video. Or, as recorded, as suggested by Schroeder in the attention economy, the economy of attention, not information, is the natural economy of cyberspace. Here, because you've attributed the name before, then you don't have to put it after. Okay, but you still need the quotation marks. And then lastly, but surely, never end a paragraph with a quote. Never, 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 never écart. Ha ha ha. That's a teacher's joke. Never end a paragraph with a quote. Why? Because it's to emulate the meaning, support one and provide direct information. And at the end, it's just an incomplete idea. All right? So, take care. Good luck. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.